Yo, peace and love. What is good? What is good? Today, we've got these GOAT lows or Lebron custom made from that Chefhuyle dude. And they're calling it, what does that say? White particle gray? That's interesting. That is saying particle gray when the shoe has a little bit of gray on it. But I do like these. When they were like, yo, we want to send you these, I was like, send them. Please do. Please do. And here's the guy. I don't know how to pronounce his IG name. Is like Chefhuyle or Chefhuyle. I don't know. But that's Bron's big old foot with these on. And right there, they're going to look a little different because it's IG and he's like, looks like he's in a convertible or something. And of course, they don't look exactly the same because this is a remake of a custom. I don't really know how they're making these in China specifically. I don't know if they're taking like some off-white and rebuilding up, or they're just making this shoe with a certain plan. But here's the last time I've done an off-white, white-on-white. These are the Euros. Again, these are a pair that I really didn't like. But when I got them, they're pretty dope. It's white-on-white. I like white-on-white, so it's all good. But back to the particle grays, or the GOAT lows is what we're going to call them. And, yep, in the box, that's where those glasses came from. So shout out to Boom for getting me the shoes and the glasses in one pack. That's how I like it. I love that. And, you know, I was kind of torn about these glasses because I got a pair before, not from Boom, and they just didn't fit. They didn't fit well on my face, and I actually had to use a heat gun to get them right. But back to the GOAT lows. So these are pretty dope, man. I do like this shoe, but it just confuses me because I don't know how they made it. I'm just glad they made it, and I'm not sure if they took that aging stuff from like Foxtrot uniform, and they just went crazy on the shoe, or if every shoe that's made like this looks exactly like this. I don't know. I haven't watched anybody else's videos that have these, so I'm not sure. But I do like them. They look amazing on foot, as you guys saw before. And the materials are really, really good. Like, that's another thing I'm noticing. I'm like, all these Travis Scott alternative type shoes, these GOAT lows, the quality has been really, really good. It's better than like the shoes they're making to replicate the retail shoes. I don't really believe in that whole replicating thing because every shoe is a replica from the original shoe and plan. But, you know, they're making these with some love, kind of like that those dunks that came out in like 15 different colors, and it was over the Akira anime and all that, the Steamboat. Those had really good quality. That's where those Smile socks came from. I was wondering about that. You guys probably caught that in the last video. But these are good, man. I'm happy that they sent them. Boom, you guys always do a good job. Sorry the video took so long. You guys know what's been going on with me. Squeeze the shoe. They're not bending or bulging at all. But let's take a quick look at the glasses before I get up out of here. Louis Vuitton. I've been getting a lot of Louis V stuff lately, and out of all the designer stuff, I don't really have a favorite or a preference, but I did like the glasses. They were like, yo, you want some glasses? I was like, heck yeah, send them, especially considering what happened to my eye. These were perfect. They came like right the day after I had surgery, maybe 2 days after, I don't know. But here's some of the trinkets on the back that pretty much says, thank you for buying my Louis, Amasha Margiela, 1854, whatever. So, yeah. And it's kind of weird. These things came in like plastic, some plastic, and there's like more plastic wrapping. Like to get to the glasses, I had to go through like 5 different things. Here's a little dust bag, a little dust rag. Works pretty good. I've used it. I do keep these in that bag too because I kind of just leave them laying around. But they are dope glasses. I mean, all the details look really good. And I'm going to show you guys a fake pair here in a second. And you're like, what? Fake? Are these fake? No, I mean, I guess, but there they go. That's the fake pair right there. Look how big they are on my face. These are like some Amazon glasses. This is what you get on Amazon for like $10. Okay, and here's the here's the Boom ones, I would say that. See, these don't have no Louis V stuff on them because they can't really put that on the glasses. And yeah, you guys are like, why do you even have those? Well, I don't know, just to compare them to these. Look how big they are. They're huge. Like right now, I keep them in my garage just for like protection. And they're like a different tint, as you can tell too. They're like, what is that, bluish? And that's the Boom glasses. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Very, very, very detailed. I don't know what these will ever look like as far as a retail pair because I'm not buying a pair. They're like $850. Okay, $890. And those are the one of one Millionaire sunglasses, just to get technical on you guys. And that dude looks like Dennis Schroeder. And here's something else I found interesting while reading about that. It was the 101 Millionaire sunglasses evoke eyewear worn in Al Capone, Chicago, and the old stomping ground of the artistic director Virgil Abloh. Just interesting. That's all. Let's keep going. Okay. And it was really hard grabbing these details from the glasses. My camera would not pick it up, but that is the best I can get, and I just love it. It's kind of like hieroglyphs or something. LV right there, and on the fake ones, they do not have that, of course, or whatever you want to call the Amazon ones. But these are dope, man. Boom. Please send me more glasses. Please send me more shoes. Try to get the videos out a little bit quicker, but I got to take it easy, guys. I got to take it easy. I was going to rush back into this thing, but I was like, nah, let me just take my time with it. They get mad, they get mad. But anyway, love you, boom. There's not a stamp, not a mark on these. That's another thing I'm noticing with these customs and fantasy shoes or whatever. They're just coming out clean, man. So I respect that. Love you guys over there in China. Love you guys in the YouTube world, IG world. Peace, love, and light. Watch another video. And I'll catch you on the next one.